Hey everyone, welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Today we're going to look at VeChain. We're going to look at VeChain on the Gaussian channel. We're going to look at it on the daily chart, the weekly chart, support and resistance levels, major trend lines, what we're doing, and what I think could be happening. All that and more in today's video. So if you like it, give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Twitter. Follow us on Telegram. We have a 100% free Telegram link below. Almost 700 people in there, so go ahead and join that. And if you want more content than what you see in there, more content than I even post on YouTube or Twitter and all that stuff, and more personal teachings, stuff like that. That's what Patreon is for, and you get access to a private Telegram, and just keep your one step ahead. One hip and step. You get both, hip and steps. Okay, so VeChain on the 5-Day Gaussian channel. Our main target right now, we got to zoom in. We have to take out this median line, which is about 10.5 cents. If we can close above that, I don't know if we're going to do it this candle, right? This candle closes in a day and 8 hours, but the next, whenever we do close above it, that will be a very good sign that VeChain could possibly be going to the upside in a reversal pattern. So we're going to look at all these things and more today. So you might notice this green line here, and we'll get to that. It'll become more and more clear as the video progresses. Okay, so we want to close above this 10.5 cents first and foremost. Then the odds increase that we take out this, or at least go towards and test the top line on the Gaussian channel around 15 cents. So I think a lot of people would enjoy that right now, right? So that would be almost a 2x from here. So notice that VeChain bounced off the median line back in July, made an effort to get above the Gaussian channel, which it did, but it was unsuccessfully able to pull away from the Gaussian channel. That's what you want to do. You want to get out of it and then pull away from it. It's like a tractor beam, right? It'll suck you right in, and then it holds you there and handcuffs you and leaves you for dead. Just kidding. But we came back down right into it, bounced again off the median line of the Gaussian channel, tried to get above it again, tractor beam back in it, and this time no bounce off the median line, and we closed under it, and then we hit this trend line, which again we'll get to it. Be patient. So we've been holding on that trend line, and support there and resistance at the median trend line at 10.5 cents. So it'll be key if we break above that 10.5 cents, 10.5 cents, 10.5 cents. Okay, so remember that, and then let's go to the next one. So why is VeChain unable to move up? It's just basically been going sideways for weeks, right? Well, this is why. Momentum is down here since November, Thanksgiving time. We've had like basically zero momentum. Anytime you're in this black under the shaded area, your coins just got it's you could think of this like the current, the river current. You're in your canoe. If you've never been canoeing, I'm sorry. If you've been in a boat, right? Everyone's been in a boat, I hope, watching. If you have a computer, you've probably been in a boat. Let's go with that. So you're in your stream, right? You want to wait for the stream to flow up if you want to go up, right? It's hard to fight the current. So that's why coins that are down here right now, a lot of coins are down here. Chainlink's included in that, VeChain's included in that, many others. Your stream, man. You're fighting the current. You got to wait for the current to break upstream, and then you hop in your little boat, and then your prices increase. Okay, so that's what we're waiting on. That's the weekly chart. So that's weekly. Daily, we're trying, right? We're kind of in the middle of the stream. We're just going round and round. We're cutting a whirlpool. So how about the bigger picture, the monthly? Well, there you go. The dam broke. the water's flooded, and I mean there is no way you can fight that current, right? The momentum is just, I mean, you're getting hammered by the damn waters. So we need to wait for this reversal to get the biggest picture going. So the daily can reverse, the weekly needs to reverse, and then hopefully we get a bounce out of the monthly momentum. But as you can see, here's 2023 already right here. So this doesn't have to like round out. You can get these bounces, and they can be pretty sharp, right? So this is what we'd like actually want to see, a bounce here and follow these just like that. So you might say, well, that's freaking May, Chase. We have to wait till May till VeChain gets going. No, a simple bounce to the upside and get the momentum moving back that way, right? That's when you want to get in your little canoe and ride the stream upriver. So just a little bit of a shift and we'll do very bigly stuff for price. And if you get up in this area, right, if VeChain never gets up in here again, this is when VeChain was doing like 10,000% moves in 2020. Remember? All right, so enough of that. Let's get to our big trend line here. So this is VeChain on the weekly chart. And we came down, and after the May drop, kind of hit right around these levels. This will become more clear as we zoom out here. And now we're kind of making this pattern. We're still making higher lows on the weekly chart, right? Here's our close. And then we hit a higher close. So far, hopefully this is our bottom, which I do believe the bottom is in. I'm going to go ahead and go on record and say that. So we want to continue to hold this and then make our way back to the upside. And we need to take out this top 16 and a half. So we can close about 16 and a half cents on the weekly chart. VeChain should do very well. So let's zoom out. How big is this trend line? Is it a couple days? Is it a couple weeks, months? No, it's years. It's years. Just go with the years. Option V, years. So go back to 2019. It's almost, what, 2 years now, right? Or 3 years, actually. Do maths. So it's almost March of 2022, right? Okay, so almost a 3-year trend line, just shy. We held resistance. We finally broke through it, got super bullish in February of this year. Last year, it's hard for the 2022 to click over. Hopefully you're the same way, or I'm just retarded. All right, we came back, we bounced on it, and then very bigly blow up top here. So then we came back down, held support. So previous, big resistance, flip to support. Very nice. How do we know we're getting ready to move back up? Well, we don't, right? You just have the odds in crypto. So the odds, what can we do to improve the odds? We have the weekly. You've seen these regular candles, but maybe you've never heard of the Heikin-Ashi candles. They do a better job at showing momentum and averages of candles. And look at what we got here. So yeah, they kind of take the averages, they get your momentum. A lot of people like them just to kind of gauge towards momentum. Basically, you can look at trends. Trends is the word I was looking for. So obviously, red is a downtrend and green is an uptrend. So notice again where these flip right at the resistance levels, and look at what just happened last week. These are weekly candles. Look at this. So normally they stay pretty much one color during a trend, unless you flash a color that could be your warning sign, right, of the trend reversal. Look at this one, trend reversal. Even though this kind of faked out, look at that. That was it, right? And now look at what we just did last week. Red. Warning, trend reversal possible. I'm going to go with that. So that's what I like. That's what I like to see. You want to see these red downtrends and then a flash of green. So we will see. This one doesn't close yet. If this turns green on VeChain this week, you better get ready, sir. Or miss, or whatever pronoun you want to use. 5 days, 7 hours. Watch this candle. We turn green. Trend reversal, very likely. Okay. I love it. That's VeChain in a nutshell. If you're still watching, appreciate you. Thumbs up. Twitter, Telegram, Patreon, do it. Be it, live it, love it. Extreme fear. We're still in extreme fear. We got to come out of it at some point, right? Maybe never. This video's lagging. All right. Quote of the day. It's a funny one. It's a joke. If you don't get it, I'm sorry. Phil Collins didn't say this, and this is not Phil Collins. All right. Right, 488. Race car. I'm having a time by myself. All right. Why this car? Why this car? That's an odd pick. I agree. Unless you have the Lego race car right there, crushing all your other cars. The Lego, I showed it in my last Chainlink video. I can't get it back over. I almost dropped it before. Good God. Thousands of pieces. No, I'm not redoing it. It would just go in the shit can. My favorite word. No more trash can. Shit can. All right. We'll see you on the next one.